Hello, I'm Matt Schwartz with Schwartz Insurance Group here in Louisville, Kentucky. I'm here to bring you a video education series focused on employee benefits. We're really in a historic time. Because of healthcare reform and a number of other things that are occurring, we've almost reached a state of constant evolution in the benefits world. We've actually reached the point where not only owners, but also the professionals that they've hired to manage benefits and make them successful, it's almost impossible. So many things are going on. What we've realized over a 20-year period, though, is that a lot of the issues that those folks are facing are common ones. Actually, we've named this phenomenon rising insurance costs and the never-ending series of events. See if this sounds familiar to you. Your costs are always rising and they feel like they're out of control. The complexity of what's happening is increasing and it's hard to manage. Communication is limited, and actually education is very difficult to do successfully. And therefore your users are really users. They're not consumers. They are not taking an active role in engaging in what they can do to help control cost. So these things actually lead to a scenario where there's a lack of trust. When change keeps occurring and prices keep increasing, employees lose their faith in what their employer is doing for them. You're in a position where the volume is just overwhelming. You can't focus on priorities. You're simply putting out fires in most cases. And really you can get to the point, not only for the HR staff, but also for the general staff, there's a lot of negativity, there can be disengagement, and eventually, really where that leads to, three issues. Number one, an ever-increasing risk of losing talent. Third is simply wasted time and efficiency. And third is a failure to be able to reach your corporate objectives. So in order to address these issues, what we've found over time is that there's three things that you need to focus on. Number one is planning. So setting out a specific path and having specific goals that you can achieve based on analysis that you've looked at. What can we be doing that will bring us closer to our goals? The second thing is specifically focusing on results, whether that be cost issues, whether that be engagement and wellness issues, whether that be satisfaction, focusing on specific goals that you can achieve during the year. And finally is ownership. And ownership, what we consider that to be, is not only employees understanding and appreciating their benefits, but also where they're in a position to engage, whether it be for their own benefit and their own lives, but also in terms of helping what their benefits are going to be in the future. So all of these things, planning, results, and ownership, that's what puts you in a position to be a pro with your benefits. So I want to welcome you to share your questions or comments about today's topic. We'd love to hear your suggestions for future topics. And certainly if there's any issues that you're facing in your current situation that we can be of support to you on, let us know. Again, I'm Matt Schwartz with Schwartz Insurance Group, and this is a video education series here to help you be a pro with your benefits, communication, and culture. Thank you.